Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about industrial structure in India. First of all, talking about types of industries on the basis of size of investment. First one is cottage industries. These are industries mainly run by family members, and this can be run with the help of simple equipments with use of negligible machines as well as electricity and investment. Say for example, khadi, papad, khakra and so on. Next one is tiny industries. So these are those industries which run on labor intensive production technique and which has an investment limit up to rupees 25 lakhs. Say for example, industries of products made from metal, leather, clay and so on. Next one is small scale industries. So these are industries which have investment of more than 25 lakhs but less than 5 crores, and it also utilizes labor intensive production techniques and are ancillary, that means helping industries to big industries. Say for example, units producing tools and simple consumer goods and so on. Next one is medium scale industries. These are those industries which have investment limit of more than 5 crores but less than 10 crores, and it utilizes labor intensive or even capital intensive production techniques. Say for example, industries of machinery, chemicals and so on. Last one is large scale industries. So these are those industries which have investment of more than 10 crores and therefore utilizes capital intensive production technique. Say for example, industries related to equipments of railway, iron and so on. Now talking about the next type of classification, which is based upon ownership. So first one in that is public sector. All those units which are owned, managed and controlled by government are said to be public sector units. Say for example, railways. Now under that, first one is departmental industries. So when government runs its industrial unit under its direct observation as its department, and also includes the provision of income as well as expenditure in its budget, is said to be departmental industries. Say for example, railways, post and so on. Next one is public corporations. Those units which are owned by central or state government but administration is under independent control of corporation is known as public corporation. Say for example, LIC, State Transport Corporation and so on. Next one is joint stock companies. Those units which are managed by government like any other private companies within the prevailing company laws, for which government raises capital by issuing and selling shares to people or institutes, are said to be joint stock companies. Say for example, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, ONGC, IOC and so on. Now the next one is private sector industries. So those industrial units which are owned and managed by private sector are known as private sector industries. Say for example, car, TV and so on. Next one is joint sector industries. Those units in which government has given up the ownership rights of industry to people and also commands 51% or more shares of the industry are said to be joint sector industries. Say for example, GSPC. Next one is cooperative sector industries. Those industries which run on cooperative activities so as to stop exploitation of small owners, laborers and even consumers, and to provide benefits to all, are known as industries of cooperative sector. Say for example, IFCO, CRIPCO and so on. Now the last type of classification is on the basis of products. So first one in that is consumer goods. As we know that those goods which directly satisfy the requirements of human beings are said to be consumer goods, and those industries producing these types of goods are said to be consumer goods industries. Say for example, oil, soap and so on. Next one is intermediate goods industries. Those units which produce semi-finished goods are said to be intermediate goods industries. It means the types of goods which are semi-processed in nature and still one more stage of production is remaining are known as intermediate goods industries. Say for example, yarn, steel sheets and so on. Thank you students.